Hey everyone, this is Spicer McLeroy and welcome to my channel. For those returning, what's up? In this video, I will be critiquing a student who has been with me for 5 weeks with little to no experience in sculpting, anatomy, or ZBrush. I am very proud of these students and their continuing progression. I find that these videos allow me to give them a detailed critique and also show them how to fix it. They get to look back at these videos as much as they need to, and it really helps them learn faster. Make sure to follow and subscribe to my other channels linked below to see my artwork, time lapses, announcements of when I'll be streaming, and any future courses that I'll be opening up for enrollment. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate it, and I hope this video helps. Let's get into it. So, Cadena. Alrighty, so let's see. Gonna rotate it up so he's not looking down so much. Yeah, merge this head down with the neck. Okay. And data mesh it together. Okay. And it would help to just have the length of the, to have the length of the neck there. Right. And we don't want any empty space down here. You know, you've either got submental fat or an esophagus or both. So we shouldn't have, we don't want to make a habit of just having nothing down there. Okay. Alrighty, so first things first, let's check out the zygomatic. If this is going to be the bottom of your orbit, then we need to do something like that. And bring that down. That should be the bottom of our nose. And you're just missing the malar eminence right here where it comes out. Okay. And just going to redo these eyes real quick. Okay. You can just hint at an ear here. Then we need the angle of the jaw going forward, and bring that there. Okay, get that going. And then we can send this down to pretty much a skull. And then we can throw the nasolabial over that. Again, lips are very shallow, right? We need to dig that in, smooth it out afterwards, and get that Cupid's bow. Dig that in. Nope. Okay. We can dig this in right here. Fill that up. It's a little over exaggerated, but you get it. Righty. And we got duck lips going on. We can fix that with letting the septal cartilage lead the head instead of everything being flat. And we can knock in this little angle a bit more. Modialis on each side. Fill it in with the orbicularis oris. And we can bring that bottom lip down a bit. There we go. And then we can, get this going right there. And let's just make sure the size of these eyes aren't too big. Yeah. Turning on symmetry, turning on local symmetry, and squeezing these down a bit. And you're going to go back here and really knock that inferior margin in. I don't want to have a habit of having it slanted from the superior to the inferior edge. I don't want it slanting forward. I want it slanting this way with the brow leading the head. All right, so dig that in a bit more. Let's see. Okay, so now we can dig in this pit of the neck. Come out. We can fix this noggin shape. And then we can fix the blocky nature of that. Right. Make sure the widest part is the back third. So we gotta do a mixture of pushing and pulling on this. And I think it's a good stopping point for right now on yours. We can narrow this up a bit. And make sure that's on the decline. Okay, so let's see what we got. Okay. There's plenty of fat that I could fill in there, but oops. This. And sending that back, and that's what we started with, right? I think overall this face is a bit too long. Maybe if we widen it out, it wouldn't be so, but on yours, you just need to be a little bit more confident with how deep your cavities are, and especially on the lips, you need to send those back so you can fill it in with all those pads and everything. Okay.